Hi everyone, it's Carolyn and welcome back to Contemporary Mama in part 2 of my whole house decluttering series. If you missed part 1, I will have it linked up in the cards and in the description box. I tackled the upstairs of my house, but today we are tackling the downstairs and I am starting with this closet. This closet is a nightmare. It is in our guest bedroom and we just have tons of crap stored in here, as well as many boxes from when we moved into this house almost a year ago. So I'm just getting started by clearing everything out of the closet before I wipe down these shelves and try and organize the chaos. If you saw my Christmas shop with me, you know that I went to the Dollar Tree and I did get some of these storage bins and baskets while I was there. I love that they're all the same color, but they're all different sizes, so I can really get everything in this closet organized.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away.
You guys, I have a confession to make. I hoard gift bags. I have to have well over 100 gift bags here. I mean, this is crazy. I never need to buy another gift bag again. So to save time, I didn't film myself sorting through all of them, but I divided them into 4 piles. 5 piles actually. This is all baby related gift bags. I mean, some of these I have from my baby shower in 2015, which is crazy. These are all sort of like neutral gift bags you could use for birthdays or really any occasion. These are all holiday gift bags, so that's great. I'll be using those soon. These are like wine-sized bags, and then these are all like giant oversized bags. So they're all sorted, and I'm going to put those away in the closet now. Okay, you guys, the guest room closet is done, and I'm not gonna lie, this took me a really long time, but it was worth it because it came out so good. So I unpacked all those boxes that were in here and I put them in Dollar Tree organizers. I got all of these at the Dollar Tree the other day, and I just love how it looks, especially since they're all matching. And I put my chalkboard labels on them, so everything just looks really organized. You know where everything is. And honestly, a lot of these are empty, which I love because that means I have a place to put things when I get stuff. So I really like that I have a lot of empty bins. And down here is where I put all that gift wrap. Sorry, this closet is a little bit small, so it's hard to see. So I just put all the different types of gift bags in these big Amazon bags. I love those. So, and I have a couple of gift boxes here too. So all my gift wrap is all organized and put away. It's not all over the floor like it was before. That was crazy. And then all of my rolls of gift wrap and all my bows fit in this organizer. I got this at the Christmas tree shop years ago and I love it. So that has everything that I need for wrapping presents. So unfortunately, I really don't have much of anything to donate from there. A lot of it I just needed to organize, but all of this are boxes that I need to recycle. And then this is a bag of trash, just things that can't be salvaged, like, you know, wrapping paper that was destroyed, papers that we no longer need. So unfortunately that is trash. And then this is the one thing from the closet that I am going to donate. It's a whiteboard. We have another one of them that we don't even use, so I definitely don't need two. So that is going to get donated. All right, we're moving into my kitchen, and we are starting with not one, not two, but three junk drawers in my kitchen. Yes, I'm embarrassed to even admit that, but these drawers really need to get cleaned out because I don't even know what's in here, because let's be honest, that's what happens when you have a junk drawer. It just gets filled up with junk. So I'm going to try and see what is in here, what I can get rid of, and what needs to be put away somewhere else besides my kitchen, because I need all the space that I can in here. I'm doing a little happy dance here because I'm so excited that I found this hardware. We've been looking for it for a while now. If you saw my video last week, we're trying to sell our extra crib, but we can't sell it without the hardware. So my husband was really excited when I texted him and told him that I found it.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Now, what I'm doing here is just going around my kitchen really quickly, opening up all the cupboards and seeing if there's anything that sticks out that I can get rid of. This is not one of those ultimate KonMari kitchen declutters. Most of the stuff I use on a daily basis. If you've been watching my channel a while, you know I love to cook. So I really enjoy having a well-stocked kitchen. But there were a bunch of things that I found that I really hadn't used in years, to be honest. So I'm just pulling those out of the drawers and cupboards and sticking them all in a box to donate. And this just goes to show that decluttering doesn't have to be a really lengthy process. I mean, it probably took me 10 minutes to scoot around my kitchen and going through each cupboard and just pulling out some stuff that I no longer needed, and it made a huge difference.
I could be who you want, 'cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I'd love just to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks have gone, can't let go. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't.
So as you saw, I already got rid of some of the trash, just like papers and things that I didn't really need. But this is the stuff that I am going to get rid of from my quick kitchen declutter. Just some teas and spices that I don't ever use and are super old. So probably just gonna have to throw them out. And then some things that I'm going to donate. This is a really cool thing if you have kids. It's like a silicone non-slip mat that we used to always bring when we went out to restaurants, because you definitely don't want your baby to be having like a nice glass plate at a restaurant, because they'll probably throw it on the floor. But my kids don't do that anymore, so I'm going to donate this. Some muffin tins that I don't use. I really don't think I need 3 cookie sheets because I don't make cookies that often. And then just some other kind of miscellaneous things from my kitchen that I just never use and are just taking up space. So here are all the spaces that I organized. This one is hard to see, sorry, because my countertop does cover a lot of the drawer, but I just put these drawer organizers and put in our very commonly used things in here. My second junk drawer, I should say, has a lot less stuff in this. I could probably even move these batteries somewhere else, maybe in our basement or in our office closet, and I could use this for kitchen supplies. So I'm gonna have to give that a thought. This cabinet was already pretty good, but I did clear out a lot of room on that top shelf, so I might put our plastic wine glasses up there. We use that for drinking outside, like in the summer by the pool. So I think that's what I'm gonna put there. Instead of storing them in the basement, we'll just keep them in the kitchen so they can be accessed once the weather gets warm again, many, many months from now, unfortunately. And then I'll just show you this cabinet because the other ones weren't really that impressive, but this one I really cleared out a lot. This was jam-packed with spices before, and now there's just a couple ones. These are the ones that I don't use like every day. I do have another spice cabinet. I love spices. My plastic Tupperware I put in here. I do have another Tupperware cabinet where I put my glass ones that I use more often. And then up there are just our teas and some, I think that's chocolate milk mix. But those were like jam-packed with some like old mugs and things that we like don't use, and we're just taking up space. And the last really impressive spot is this drawer. This just had so many random things like our appliance manuals that honestly I don't even think we're gonna keep because they're all online now. So this drawer is like empty. So that's great. I can find another spot for this, even though it is one of those weird drawers because it's covered by the countertop. But it is pretty empty now, and I'm sure I can find something to fill it up if I need to. Here is my box of donation items all packed up and ready for the donation man to come to our house soon. And then all these are items that I'm actually going to keep, but they have a place in my house that is not in my kitchen, and I just need to put them away. So this is really going to be helpful. I found many things that I have been looking for a while, and I'm going to go put these away so that they're not cluttering up my kitchen cabinets. Now here I'm going through the toys in my kids' toy box. And you might think, hey, they only have a toy box full of toys, but you would be mistaken. This is the toy box in our living room, which is not even our playroom. So this should not be where hundreds of toys are being stored, but that is the reality. This thing is stuffed to the brim on a daily basis to the point where we can't even close it, and we have several other storage bins of toys that my kids use on a regular basis. So honestly, the toys that are in this toy bin, they really don't even play with. It's just filled with so many mostly cheap toys, like stuff we've gotten from Happy Meals or goodie bags, things like that. So I am speeding this up like crazy because honestly, it probably took me 30 minutes to go through here and sort this all out. But I did sort it into toys that actually belong in the playroom, toys that I'm going to be donating, toys that I'm keeping in the toy box, and then like really just like cheap little things that are broken that just had to get thrown out.
Escape when you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy.
Now, since I have not seen the bottom of this toy box and I don't even know how long, I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to give it a really good cleaning. So I'm vacuuming it out and wiping it down, and this felt so good.
'Cause I can't escape when you call my name, when you call my name.
So here is how the toy box looks now. There is so much room in here, and they can actually get to the toys, which is what is really important. Before, they would just throw them all over the floor because they couldn't find anything. So here are all the toys that I'm going to be donating. This cube my kids just don't really play with and are probably a little too old for. This workbench, we got this for free, so I don't feel bad about getting rid of it. And then this little toy, they just don't play with. It's really more for babies. And then this huge box filled with toys that I am going to be donating. This was the majority of the stuff in that toy box upstairs that they just don't play with. So I feel so much better now that I went through all that, and that hopefully these toys will go to kids who really love them and enjoy them. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this decluttering series and that it gave you some motivation to declutter either an area of your house or even your entire house. I promise you, no matter how much you declutter, you are going to feel so good about it when you are done. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on Friday with a brand new video. Bye!